There were major 3-4 challenges for the conclusion of this project, which we faced during our discussion with the customer. So first, the customer was looking for the turnkey solution for the spray cooler plant. As Shachi is well known for the spray cooler plant in Indian market, and we are having our footprint in global market also, but not related to this particular product. So in that point of view, considering your past experience or expertise, and we convinced customer that what will be the execution philosophy, how we are going to execute, the timelines, the project schedule, each and every task is conveyed to the customer, and accordingly we are able to manage this project. Second, for the particle size distribution, customer was having the specific requirement on the particle size, which varies for each and every product. So to achieve that particular particle size distribution, we have designed our nozzles of the plant in such a way so that this particle size can be achieved. But along with the nozzles, airflow patterns, cooling airflow patterns plays very important role. For that, Shachi is having a unique design of air distributor, and for that we do the CFD also to maintain and to check the particular airflow patterns, that how the airflow patterns will behave inside the plant. As the plant capacity is 1.5 TPH and 2 TPH for two different plant, and anyhow we need to meet this capacity as committed in the contract. That care we have taken during the engineering phase itself, and we are managed to get that capacity in the plant. As this product is having a heat of crystallization, after cooling also some of the heat remains in the product, and when you stack that product, it forms a lump. So to avoid that, external fluidized bed cooler we propose to the customer in the plant, and that external fluidized bed cooler is having a unique design and particular multiple airflow zones, so that this product can be cooled and heat of crystallization can get removed. And the last one is about the plant height, that considering the local regulation of the site, the plant height limitation is 30 meters, and considering that we need to get all the equipments redesigned so that the plant will get more compact without compromising the performing parameter of the plant. As this project is for the global leader of GMS and the stearic and palmitic acid. It's a prestigious project for the Shachi, and we have extended our footprint in the global way, and now we are having our presence more than 10 countries. And if you are interested to know more about the spray cooling plant in various kind of application like stearic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, or lauric acid, GMS, SCO, you can connect with us and get the desired solution for your spray cooler plant.